So you're finally ready to make the jump from Discord to XMPP. How do you even use this thing? Well, it's actually pretty self-explanatory. First, you want to make an account. And this account can be made with any provider you want, as long as they actually provide XMPP accounts. The one that I went with is xmpp.is. This is their website. There's also conversations.im. If you're on your phone, this will probably be the one that you'll want to sign up with, because that's just bundled with Conversations, the app. For this, though, we're going to assume that you're going with Conversations. Either one of these is fine, though. Really, really good options. Now, this is actually where you're done with the web browser. You don't need any more web browser. It's gone. Goodbye. No more web browser. We're on Gajim. This is the only XMPP client that I believe is actually good. For the desktop, you have Conversations, obviously, for your Android, and then Monal for the iPhone. So obviously this is Conversations, and then Monal XMPP. This is the app that you'd want to get if you have an iPhone. God save you. So my goal here is to not only create an account, but also join simlinks.net, my muck, my multi-user chat, MUC muck. That's what we call them over here on XMPP. So first of all, I want to add not a contact. I want to add an account. I'll do manage accounts, add account, and I will do sign up. Now you can see there is a lot of different options here, but you want to either go for XMPP.is or in my case, I guess it's not here, but conversations.im. Some of these allow you to sign up anonymously, but I'm pretty sure Conversations is not one of those, so you just want to sign up normally. So Dactyl videos, my super secret password, and then do the little captcha thing. You've done the captcha thing. Now you can make your name, Dactyl videos. I'm actually going to put this in parentheses test, just to tell the people that this is me and I'm testing stuff. You can pick a color for your account. I'm not sure if this is something that other people will see. I'm just going to go for green, blue, teal-ish color. And now you have an account. You can give it a default workspace. You can give it a color, you can look at your information, some other settings here. Encryption is very important to have enabled. Every time that you start a conversation, you want to make sure that you have this little lock icon and then click on OMemo. That's the best encryption option out there, at least for XMPP. You can also, in your connection settings, set up a proxy. If for whatever reason the I2P mod actually starts working again, you can set up an I2P proxy for your account. But that's about it for the account setup. Now I can send a test message to Conversations, I guess. Thanks. And it looks like I can't send a test message because I don't have any devices to send to. Okay, so instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a chat with myself. I'm going to do dactyl@simlinks.net. Don't actually message me, please. I'm going to use the little Dactyl video thing to start a new chat, and then I'll just send a test message. I'll say test hello, and it'll do a bunch of encryption stuff. Manage trust. You can see all these different devices. Just do that again. And look at that, I got a message. And it says hello, test hello, just like I said. And I can do test hello right back to me, and I get the message. And I should probably turn on encryption for that. OMemo, encrypted, test hello. And there we go. We got an encryption. Now, if you want to verify that this is the correct encryption key, you can hover over this little shield icon here, look at the numbers and letters that it gives you, and then you can go in encryption, see, okay, which one of these matches? It's the last one, this one, verified. Now, if I send another message to myself via this, another one. Now you can see the shield is filled in and completely verified. Now let's say I want to join the Simlinks multi-user chat, the muck. In this case, I want to do simlinks at muck.simlinks.net, and I want to join with this one right here. Now you see all the information. You can change your name if you want to. I'm going to put testing, checkmark, join. Now it's fetching the messages, and now it gives you some information about the muck, like there's a Mumble server attached to it. You can join on Yggdrasil too, and if you need some help with Yggdrasil, there's a video that I made on my channel for it. And now I can say hello from conversations.im, and then I can go on here and be like, yes, that's me testing for a video, and people are responding. See, isn't that so cool? And then if you want to do what I did here and pin a certain group chat or message, you can also pin that by right clicking it or unpin it. Now you can see here I keep jumping between workspaces. This is because I actually have multiple different accounts for multiple different things, and you can create your own workspace here, and then after you create a workspace, you can manage your account. In this case, it's this one, and add it to in my case, the public workspace as a default. And people are sending test messages. That's really nice. But yeah, it's a really, really simple process to join this whole XMPP thing. 90% of the process is just going into the app of your choice and then adding an account. After that, you should be fine. This is like the entire process. And while we're at it, since we're just talking about my own multi-user chat, let's also join the Mumble. So if you wanted to join on ClearNet, here's my Mumble thing. If you wanted to join the Mumble in ClearNet, you just click on this link, and there we go. It has joined me into the Mumble via my own client. And if I wanted to join, let's say on the Yggdrasil version of it, you would click on this, a second link. And now you see I'm in ig.simlinks.net. So if you don't want to use the links up here every time, what you can do is go to server connect and then add new, and then you want to do ig.simlinks.net for the Yggdrasil one. And then of course you give yourself a username like Dactyl. Don't actually give yourself the name Dactyl. It's taken. If you want to go to the ClearNet without Yggdrasil, you just do simlinks.net. And then you're in. Now you have a favorite little Mumble thing. I say this every time I talk to people about Mumble. It's literally the most simple thing in the world. It's so easy to use. I hope these people don't send me a friend request on my test account. That would be very unfortunate for them. You have no excuse, join the muck.